Jumping off a 2-meter wall and land on soft sand as shown. A 40 kg child jumps from rest and lands on the sand by bending his knees. The ground slows him down over a distance of 10 centimeters. How fast is the child going just before he touches the ground? Okay, so this here is 2 meters. Child is 40 kg. So this is a UVATS, UVATS. U is 0, V we don't know, A is minus 9.81, T we don't know, S is minus 2. And we're looking for the V, so V squared equals U squared plus 2AS plus 2AS. The minuses cancel there. 2 times 2 times 9.81, and then we'll have to square root that. 6.264 meters per second then. Okay, so that's the first part done. Next, what is the acceleration upward of the child while his legs are bending? So, when his legs are bending, he's slowing down. In fact, he's accelerating upwards. Because if he was still accelerating downwards, he'd be continuing into the ground. So he's being slowed down by the ground, he's accelerating upwards, and we're looking here for what is that acceleration. So if we picture it here, there's his leg, and then later it's bent. This has a U of minus 6.264, but a V of 0 because he comes to rest. The A is what we're looking for, which should be a positive. The T we don't know, the S we do know because this happens over a distance of 10 centimeters. So this again I think is V squared equals U squared plus 2AS, and the S is 0.1, so that would be plus 0.2A. So the A is, the S, is that positive or negative? That S is negative because it's downwards. Yeah, so that should be a minus here. So that means the A is 6.264 squared over 0.2. (196.2 meters per second squared). Okay, so that answers that part. C, what is the net force upward on the child? Okay, well that's just F equals MA, which would be 40 times 196.2, 7848 newtons. Okay. Next, what two forces act on the child when his legs are bending? So, when the child is in contact with the ground, there's actually two forces acting on the child. The child's weight, and then the force from the ground pushing up. I don't think we talked, no, I think weight is in the next lesson, so I think maybe I want to cut, do I want to cut those out? No, I think I'll leave them in. Yeah, okay, so what two forces are acting on the child when his legs are bending, so that's just weight and the reaction force from the ground. And therefore, what force is the ground exerting on the child when his legs are bending? So what is the reaction force? So here you have F equals ma, and that is upwards because it's positive. So that means the or is bigger than the w. So or minus w equals ma. So the or is ma plus w, which is ma plus mg, which is ma, well actually, I'll just take the m out, a plus g, which would be 40 times 196.2 plus 9.81. Okay. (8240) newtons.